What's up, YouTube time?
Okay. I got really bad I got really bad hiccups right now. Alright. So as I'm it happens. Can't hardly talk. Alright.
What's up, YouTube time?
What's up, YouTube? What? Jesus Christ. What's up, YouTube fam? Oh my God. I got really bad hiccups right now. And it wasn't from anything hot. I don't never get hiccups from anything hot. But I do get hiccups from eating something that just, I don't know what it does. But it's not spice. But anyways, we have what? Okay, we got a testament to the hiccup here. Sorry, guys, I can't hardly talk. You loving this? All right, so got the water.
Mm-hmm. And if you take 9 sips of water, hold it in your mouth for 10 seconds, it would make the hiccups gone.
It's a proven. Since I was a teenager, I was taught this. It's hard for me to even talk. Stop. You're making me laugh. All right, so 9 swallows of water, consistent, and hold my breath up and count to 10. It gets rid of them every time. This is a perfect example.
And get scared when you have your.
Oh my gosh, it's hard to even start because I keep feeling a hiccup coming on. Oh, all right, we're gonna start now. All right.
What was that?
Sorry. Oh gosh, my I'm afraid to say anything because it's gonna hiccup again. All right, my stop. Can't hardly swallow without getting a hiccup. All right, my welding instructor told us this a long time ago. I was like I was like 19 years old. I was like 1996, guys. Here we go. Let's get it down. Jeez, let's get it down. All right.
What was that sound?
Okay. 9 swallows of water, and then I counted to 10 with holding my breath. And there ain't no hiccups again. They gone, guys. Every time they gone. No, not even a chance of it. But you gotta do the swallows all consistently. And if you get a little bit of burp when you swallow them, let it up as you're swallowing. I mean, as you're kind of letting the water down. You know how to swallow water. Come on. But it's gone, guys. Is it or is it not? Come on. Ethan's funny. No, it's gone. Every time. Every single time it's gone. Except with him, and Lord help us. All right, ciao. Yeah, go ahead.
Wow.